Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you ever wanted to connect your Mongo database to n8n, this video is for you. So guys, firstly, as you can see, we are now on the home screen and I have no automations and no workflows. So let us create one. So I'll click on this plus icon in here, the small one. After that, just search for Mongo databases. As you can see, I already searched for it. Let me just do it again. So choose Mongo database. And guys, for example, let us choose insert documents. You can choose any action you want. So choose that, and under parameters, as you can see, we have credential to connect with. Click on this drop down, create new credential. And now guys, we will need to, of course, start our setup. Right now, you just need to go to your atlas once again, to the MongoDB atlas. After that, just click on database access and let us add a new user. Right, so for example, password authentication, you can basically enter your username, test123, enter the password. For example, you can use this strong password that our browser is showing us. This password can, okay, let's just create something more simple, test123. Okay, actually, let me make it the same as my user. Right, now user description, just 123. After that, you can choose a role, Atlas admin, for example, only read something like that. Now, basically just click on add user. Now, as you can see, we have a new user. Okay, now, as you can see, after entering these details, now you will have this testing. So pretty much just don't forget to create a user and you're basically done. After testing is done, you will get your MongoDB connected, and you can start automating with n8n. So guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, I hope it was helpful to you. Press like on the video if you enjoyed. If it was helpful, subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next one.